How to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily change your thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So to get started, go ahead and open YouTube into your device and then click on this plus icon to upload a short. And then click on this add button to add it from your local drive. So once you have selected a video, you get redirected into the section where you can actually trim out the video if it is more than 1 minute. Once you're satisfied with how you trim your video, simply click on the done button and that will take you into this section. So in here, simply click on next, and then on the next page, you can go ahead and proceed adding more details about your short. Now to change the thumbnail, simply click on this pencil icon at the top left of the current thumbnail that you have for the specific short, and then go ahead and select the part of the video that you want to use as a thumbnail. Once you're done selecting, simply click on the check icon to save your changes.